What's going on, bitches? I'm back again with another one, and today we have the Air Max Plus, or the TNs, or whatever you want to call them, man. And this is and the official colorway to this is black, or better known as the triple blacks. Now here is the box, and it obviously comes with tissue paper. And here are the sneakers themselves. They do resemble the 95s quite a bit, the midsole part especially. And on the back you have the TN. Even the midsole, as you know, as much as it resembles the 95s, there are a few differences. Not as wide as a 95. So yeah, I mean there are some differences here and there. It's an all black sneaker, man. I mean, you can't go wrong with an all black sneaker, to be honest. You got leather on the back. You got leather just above the midsole going around the entire sneaker, except the mudguard. The mudguard is this shiny TPU plastic kind of piece, and the rest of the sneaker is just mesh. So on the Nike website, just looking at the benefits, it says bringing beach life to the city. The prominent TPU arch draws inspiration from a whale's tail and adds structure, while the iconic TPU fingers nod to palm trees and ocean waves. Right. So which one is the palm tree? Which one is the whale's tail? I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know what to say, honestly. I mean, it even says it has reflective design details, so I'm not really sure what's exactly reflective on these. Maybe the tongue? Could it be the tongue? I don't know. I mean, this entire sneaker is supposed to be all black. I mean, I get that obviously in the TN logo there's yellow and red, and I think that's why they've sort of added those colors into the midsole, the air bubbles. On one side it's just pure plain, on the other side it's yellow and red for some reason, which is a bit of a weird one, because there was no need for that, man. You should have kept it just plain black and it would have been perfect. Just details like that, man. There's no need for that, bro. I mean, why would you do that? Yeah, I mean, the overall quality, the overall structure, I mean, I can see this sneaker lasting quite some time. I mean, it is not cheaply made. It is not your everyday standard Nike trainer. I can tell that this is some quality shit. At this price point, you're not gonna expect anything less at £165. The only thing I didn't quite like by just touching and feeling the sneaker is the tongue. It's just a bit too stiff for me. That's just one thing I didn't like about the sneaker. But otherwise, I mean, I have nothing against this sneaker. I think it looks fantastic. It's an everyday sneaker, bro. I mean, you want to go shopping, you want to go run some errands, this is the one to go for. I have a 95 essential pack, the all black one. I will be comparing them both on the next video, and I will show you guys how the 95s held up, because I've had them for just over a year now, and I've taken them literally everywhere. I've taken them on a holiday to Turkey. It went through so much, man. It's just unbelievable, and it still holds up. It still goes strong like the day one. It still looks fantastic, even though it has some creases here and there. It still looks amazing. So yeah, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, I was told to get these true to size, and this is exactly what I have done. This is my true to size, which is a 7.5 UK, and I gotta say, man, I mean, they fit nicely. They fit very nice. I have no complaints. So shout out to Cosby Breezing. He suggested I should go true to size, and he wasn't wrong. They fit perfectly, unlike the 95s with the elastic strap on the inside. And I just have to go half a size up, man, all the time with them. But on this one, it's definitely true to size. Now, comfort is there. It is very comfortable. It's not much different, if I have to be honest, than a 95. It just feels sort of similar, but definitely comfortable. If you're looking for an all black sneaker, I would highly recommend you try these on. They're the same price, you know. If you like the look of this one, you go for this. If you like the look of the 95s, you go for the 95s. But the 95s, I tried to compare them earlier, and I can see that they're wider, a lot wider than this sneaker. They're thinner on the back, whereas the 95s are quite wide and a bit chunky, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, like I said, bro, I mean, comfort is definitely there. These are very comfortable if you're looking for an everyday sneaker. And another plus point to these is that you won't have any problems with dirt or mud or or any sort of shit on your sneakers, because it will be easy to clean off. You have no white mesh, no white canvas. You have no suede. Everything is just black mesh, black leather, black TPU. It's easy to maintain, easy to keep clean. And if you're looking for an all black sneaker that you can take out every day, that you can wear as your daily, shopping, running errands, whatever you need to do, man, these should definitely be on your list. I wouldn't suggest you pass on them before you try them. You really do need to put them on your feet to appreciate them. So, because it is a thing and we can't just skip this video without doing the crease test, here it is. But I'll tell you now, you're not gonna have any problems with these. Even though there is a bit of a leather on the sides, I don't see them getting creased too soon. But yeah, I mean, I don't see any problems. I thought I'd do something different with this one, and I'll show you guys a few different jeans, and I think one cargo I was wearing on that day. This is the sort of jeans that you would usually see people wearing, these sort of trainers. Rolled up tight jeans. And then I got these cargos from Zara with huge pockets on the sides, which I can show you guys on the next one if you want. And I haven't adjusted them or anything, but yeah, I mean, here they are. I mean, I gotta say, man, the one thing that you don't want to be wearing with these sneakers would be baggy jeans. They just look horrible with them, in my opinion, obviously. I don't know what you guys think, but personally, I do think they look horrible with these sneakers. So, I mean, at least I tried them on, man. It's not something I would go out with at all. But yeah, I mean, if you're imagining how these would look with baggy jeans, here it is. I've done it for you guys, so you don't have to. And lastly, we have a pair of black jeans, slim fit or skinny fit. I think these are skinny fit, which seem to go nice together, But obviously, the roadman's choice would be a pair of joggers with these sneakers. And if that's the way you want to go, hey, you do what you want to do, man, with these. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it with this video. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And if you haven't done so already, do consider subscribing, because it does help out. And I will see you on the next one.